AirGMS allows you to manage cleanings and tasks efficiently in a tasks section. This is where you can see all the tasks scheduled for each day. Every time a new booking is approved, on the day of checkout the system automatically creates a new cleaning task. Moreover, you can manually create a cleaning task for any day and any property using the button, New Cleaning. The head of cleaners, manager or administrator can assign the task to a certain cleaner, change the task parameters and add the standard or additional instructions. Immediately after this, the assigned cleaner receives a text message on his phone and an email with the task details. The cleaner receives a second reminder the evening before the day on which the task has been scheduled. In addition to the notifications, the cleaner has a daily job schedule available in his account. Each job contains information regarding the property, date, time of cleaning, standard and additional instructions. The cleaner changes the status of the job during and after its execution. This allows the manager to see the cleaning progress in real time, which enables him to check in guests faster.